Hello everyone, welcome back to another quick and amazing tutorial. In this video, we are going to see that if you want to add the line break with each details, how can we do that? So we already know that we want to combine, let's say, these three cells into a single one. So we have a couple of options for that. And the latest one is if you're using the latest version of Excel like 2024, so you can use the text join feature. So let's see, text join is this one, and let's select the delimiter, which is space, then ignore empty text, just press a comma again, and then in the suggestions when it says text, just select all of these three and you are good to go. Just hit enter. So basically it means that we want to join all the text and put a space between each, and we want to ignore the empty spaces, and these are the cells. So let's hit enter, and now you can see that it is mentioned here, but it's not looking proper because in this type of details what we want to do is we want to put an enter in between that, or a line break. So how we can insert that? Let's see. So what we will do is just select the cells here and write an and sign, and just remember this character function. Character number 10 is for space and the second cell, and then we want to join it to a space or a line break and this cell. Now this and function is an alternative of the text join feature. So what you can do is you can use this one as well, and when we press enter, it will be shown like this. When we click wrap text, it will be shown exactly what we want here. So this is how you can do it. I hope you like this video, and if you found this video helpful, just hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for all the future videos. And with this said, this is Saad signing off from today's video. Take care.